So guys, we'll go out and try to work on this stupid husky. See if I can get it running today or not. So I've been talking to some guys, and I'll move the ground and stuff around on it and see if I can get a bigger battery and stuff and hook to it and see if I can get it to run. So let's see what goes on for today. So I went and borrowed a battery off my neighbor here. This is a 625 cold cranking, so that says Marine. 500 cold ever start deal. So let's see if we can get her to fire up. Okay, so this is the other husky, guys. It's got the battery sitting here on the side, and I want to try to jump start it here real quick and see if this one's going on Craigslist, guys. It's one of the ones I posted on the other forum there. Put a link up on the other forum that I got to post it to. So, yeah, homeowner up for parts. Except for the hood. The hood's going on this one because the hood I'm pretty sure will fit on there. If not, I'll make it fit. So, yeah, so if you guys need something off this, holler at me. Uh-oh. No disassemble. Yeah, I'll pull the motor out of this, the tank, and get this thing outside, so that way it's out the way, so I can put the big monster in here. But yeah, I'm gonna pull the motor, the tank, and just get this junk out of here, so that way it's out the way, and leave it at a roller. I'm gonna flip it over and see if I can get the rear end, so that way it'll actually roll around a little easier. If not, whatever. But yeah, guys, getting this thing the hell out of here, because I don't like just leaving the motor sitting outside. Can end up with all kinds of other issues, locked up or whatnot with water in them and shit. So you guys seen the video there with it actually running, so guaranteed that it'll run. But I'm just going to pull it out of here, park it up in the garage here, so that way the motor's up out the way. I'm a little hyper right now. I drink one of these little energy drink things. Drink about half of it's got me freaking like rah! So yeah, let me get to it here, guys, and get this motor and shit pulled out of here, because like I said, I got to get this big one in here. Starting to get colder again, and freaking it's like half-assed snowing and shit. So let me get this off here, and I'll get back to you here in a little bit. Oh shit, where'd the wheels go? Laying over here, and then here's the motor laying over here on the side. But it has a little fan thing in there, and these little spacers that was on there to hold the motor up a little bit, I guess. I don't know, a little different than the other one I took apart. But yeah, I went ahead and pulled the axle out of it. The axle was fine. I'm not sure what the hell it was binding up on, but it get it out here and she spins over perfect, so I don't know. But yeah, got the motor out of there. All this crap. I'm gonna pull the seat off of it. Doesn't look like it's very good anyhow, but I'm gonna pull it off anyhow. And what I might do is make an engine stand out of this, because it's got the basically the plate here. Might chop it off right after the dash. Take the steering wheel and stuff out of it. Leave the choke cable, blah blah blah, and use that and take the front end off of it, of course. But build me like a stand so it's up off the ground a little bit, so I can set the motor on it and make it mountable or something, so that way I can take it on and off pretty easy. So yeah, I don't know, guys. That's the basis of that one there. And then I'm gonna get this big honker in here, because it's a big monster. And I'm gonna have to get a tire for this thing, because she's pretty dicked. So I thought about tubing it. I may try to get a tire. I don't know. I may just tube it for now and then see, and just put a tube in it, because it's pretty well cracked out. Down here the tire's pretty well shit out. So yeah, I really don't want to put the little tires that I have. The Craftsman's are the same spindle size as what's on there, so I thought about putting them on there, but they're about 3 inches shorter and it'll throw off the deck, so I don't really want to do that. But yeah, I don't know, we'll have to see. Well, I was hoping this hood would fit right on there, but it does. No real adjustments. It's got all the same style mounting holes and everything. Makes this tractor look a whole lot newer. I'm changing into this front end here, makes it look a little better. So I'll have to maybe get some stickers or something made up and put on the side or something, because it's got that 2050 on the side here. Maybe I can get some little stickers and stick on there or something, I don't know. So I'll have to look around, but I can clean all this stuff up. I think I'm going to repaint the whole tractor here with red or something and try to make it look better. Because I'll probably end up pulling all the tins and stuff off of it and the running boards and everything and repaint it. Clean the deck and stuff up on it and paint it, and gotta fix this thing. It's pretty well mangled. It goes on the front here to cover up the knuckle, and she's mangled up pretty good. It's been hit a few times, but no big deal. Nothing, a little hammer, a hammer and a little welder fix. So it's got that little crack in there. Stick a couple tacks on it. But yeah, I was hoping that hood would fit on there, and it does. That's freaking awesome. So yeah, so I just got that hood sitting on there for now, and trying to see what's going on. And got this thing completely tore apart, of course, here. The other one there in there has a steering issue. It's got this rod that comes up here from the main steering, okay, and goes back to here, and it's got the the rod end on there, whatever you want to call it. It just goes through, and it has a pin in it, and it's got a clip inside. Hold on. Now, who says you can't sell a lawnmower in the middle of the winter? Have a guy coming back to pick up this mower here. So he said he's going to come back. Whether he does or not, who knows. But he actually called, came back, and then brought his wife with him, and he went to go get the money and come back. So so hopefully he'll come back. But yeah, I don't know. I think there's something wrong. I don't know what it is. Something happened. Come out and everything's destroyed. But yeah, I got this whole thing tore apart here. It took me probably 2 hours to take the stupid thing apart, but it's basically all tore apart. So I got the wiring harness, all that crap out of it. This part with the wheels on it, I'm going to use this as my engine stand, because it's short enough section here. I may even lock part of this off, but that's where the console thing for it. So I may rig something up and use the switch and stuff from that. But yeah, and there's still got the switch and stuff in here. So yeah, I can get all this crap picked up now. Big ass damn mess. So yeah, freaking mess. So who says you can't sell a mower in the middle of the winter? It's actually kind of almost springtime. But sold that Toro push mower. Got it sold today. Made a little money on that one. So that one's all gone. Got the other mower tore down, and that MTD. So pretty good day today. Still got to get the tires swapped out on the stupid Neon, get me some new ones. So the MTD that I tore down, the little one, anybody need anything off of it, let me know. Everything's pretty good on it, but it is what it is. So if you need something off of it, holler at me. I've got a bunch of keys, those little lawnmower keys. If you guys need one, holler at me. I got brand new ones that I've picked up and got them pretty cheap, so if you guys need something like that, holler at me. I've got a whole bunch of them, so get with me, guys. That's the end of the video here. I'm going to go in and get me a shower, get cleaned up, and eat dinner. Wife cooking some food tonight because I'm starving. So okay, guys, I'll see you tomorrow.